How to extract false positive, false negative from a confusion matrix of multiclass classification. I am classifying this data using following keras code. From confusion_matrix command of scikitlearn.metrics I got confusion matrix, and from true positive equals some numpy.diagcm1 command I am able to get true positive. But I am confused how to get true negative, false positive, false negative. I read solution from here but user comments confuse me. Please help to code to get parameters.
First of all, you have omissions in your code. In order to run, I needed to add the following commands. Having done that, and given the confusion matrix CM1, here is how you can get the requested TP, FP, FN, TN per class. The true positives are simply the diagonal elements. The false positives are the sum of the respective column, minus the diagonal element. Similarly, the false negatives are the sum of the respective row, minus the diagonal element. Now, the true negatives are a little trickier. Let's first think what exactly a true negative means. With respect to, say, class 0, it means all the samples that have been correctly identified as not being 0. So, essentially what we should do is remove the corresponding row and column from the confusion matrix, and then sum up all the remaining elements. Let's make a sanity check. For each class, the sum of TP, FP, FN, and TN must be equal to the size of our test set, here 10,000. Let's confirm that this is indeed the case. The result is